Viral marketing tactics: powerful techniques on viral list building, affiliate marketing, and brand name building while leveraging on the internet. Chapter 1, Introduction. Welcome to Viral Marketing Tactics. This book will briefly tell you about viral marketing techniques and how to utilize them to generate lots of commissions online. I know a guy who has generated more than $500 of commissions completely on autopilot. And this isn't one of the best examples because viral marketing traffic can make you rich if you do it right. In this book, we will briefly explore the following techniques: the concept behind viral marketing, tell a friend, viral marketing master, resell rights, viral marketing private label, viral marketing blog and theme, viral marketing web 2.0, viral marketing, viral spiral marketing. We will look at these concepts one by one and you will know how to find a method that you can utilize, or use all of them if you like, to build your campaigns. Let's get started right now. Note: results may differ from person to person and it all depends on how hard you work. Chapter 2, Why Viral Marketing. Here are a few reasons why viral marketing is very important. Leverage on other people's list. Internet marketing gurus always talk about building your mailing list. Mailing lists are important because it is true that the money is always in the list. Most of the time, some internet marketers will beg other marketers, especially those with a bigger list size, to promote their products, do an ad swap, or help them to build their own lists in general. But what if, instead of relying on your own list, you can leverage on other people's list? You see, in internet marketing, there is always someone who has a biggest list size than you. These people will always want to sell products. If you can create products, such as master resell rights or no restriction private label rights products, and give them the rights to sell your products with your ads in it, you will be getting constant advertising for free and people are doing it willingly for you. After all, when you promote a product to your list, it is still limited in the sense that you can only mail your list once or twice, but having your products being promoted all over the internet, will take the burden off the lists and give you additional streams of income. The power of exponential growth. Many people neglect the power of viral marketing because they have this misconception that it yields very little at the start. They feel that they would rather promote their products by themselves rather than share the product with other resellers. The same applies with blog posts. See the chapter on blogs and themes below. Let's do a little math. Would you rather make $100,000 a month or build a campaign that doubles in revenue starting at 1 cent a day for every next day? 1 2 4 8 16 3 2 64 128 256 512 millions. The power of exponential growth tells us that you will become a millionaire after almost 30 days. 2 to the power of 30. Do you see the power of viral marketing? Whether you are getting 1 new subscriber a day or 1 sale a day, you will be able to generate lots of traffic just by viral marketing alone. Now, to be realistic, even with the unlimited growth potential on the internet, there will come a time where there is a saturation point. But it still doesn't dispute the fact that there are millions of customers, and many resellers, that will market for you and expand your efforts for you. It is always a good idea to build several viral marketing channels. That way, even when your viral campaign starts to slow down, due to saturation, you will still be able to leverage on many channels and build your list or your affiliate commissions. In the subsequent chapters, we will explore a few tools, both free and paid sources, that will enable you to build several viral campaigns and watch as traffic beats a path to your virtual doorstep. Chapter 3, Tell a Friend. Viral marketing. One of the easiest forms of viral marketing is by telling a friend. You see, telling a friend will work under 3 conditions: the sender has something to benefit from it, the receiver has something to benefit from it, the method of sending the product is easy to facilitate. With Mike Filsame's Viral Friend Generator, you are able to get at least 3 new impressions should the subscriber decide to tell a friend in exchange for a gift. Does it meet the 3 requirements above? Let's see how it works. This is one example of using Viral Friend Generator. When someone opts into the form, they are redirected to this wait page and they are given the option to refer a minimum of 3 friends, more is offered. So as you can see, condition number 1 is met. Should they successfully refer 3 friends, the sender is given a gift. Condition 2 is also met because most probably, those that the sender referred will get gifts as well. Condition 3 is also met because Viral Friend Generator automates the Tell a Friend process automatically for you without spamming anyone. When all 3 conditions are met, the campaign becomes viral. Mission accomplished. Chapter 4, Master Resell Rights. Viral Marketing. What's the big deal about Master Resell Rights? Well, simply put, you are able to create an e-product and the owner of the product has the rights to resell the product for any price that they want. The resellers will be doing promotions for you and spread your name all around the internet. Not only that, they will not be able to alter your book in any way, they will just sell it in the current form. Here are 2 ways you can create a huge viral campaign out of MRR products: write your own, or hire a ghostwriter product and give MRR rights. Find somebody else's MRR product with rebranding rights and place your own affiliate links. Later on, place those products on well-known membership sites. Chapter 5, Private Label. Viral Marketing. Everyone knows that PLR is one of the best rights someone can have for an ebook, because it allows you do whatever you want with it, well, almost. However, even PLR has certain restrictions such as non-transferable rights or bundling rights, just like certain resell rights. But one of the advantages of no restriction private label rights is the fact that you can sell the private label rights of the book, hence you let the book go viral almost immediately. Certain PLR resellers even include a sales letter for the resellers to easily edit the contents of the sales letter. Do you know what this means? Reseller after reseller selling the best rights to the book all across the internet. This is the best way to get your affiliate links or promotions all over the internet very quickly. But then, what happens if the resellers edit the contents of the book, you may ask? Wouldn't that reduce the effectiveness of the viral effect? Well, the solution to that is very simple. Human beings are lazy by nature. They will just cut and paste the sales letter and sell the products as it is. Because it is too much work for them to redo the content, they will all sell the products most likely in the original form. This often sells faster than master resell rights, and if you embed your affiliate links or promotions carefully, it will give resellers a lot of resistance when they try and edit your book. Look for resellers who sell no restriction PLR books and contribute to their package if you want to achieve the ultimate viral effect. Chapter 6, Blog and Theme. Viral Marketing. One of the other ways to create a viral marketing campaign besides using or reselling ebooks is to use blogs and blog themes to market yourself. Here is a 3-step process that will allow you to get lots of traffic to your website. 1. Approach a high-traffic blogger and ask if you can be a contributor to their blog for a particular blog post or topic. 2. Write an excellent blog post that will get people's attention, especially on these high-traffic blogs. 3. Leave a bio box or a link that traces back to your own site. Now, the question you may ask is, why don't you reserve the best content for your own blog? Wouldn't that brand you better? Well, this is actually selfish thinking. Good things must be shared, not hidden under a basket. High-traffic blogs give you more exposure. If you have a blog that has low traffic, it will not reach out to many people, but if you give your content away to others, high traffic will get you noticed, and if they like your blog post, they will spread the word, using social bookmarking sharing, and you will get a lot of traffic to your site very quickly. You can also design your own blog theme and give it away for free. One thing wonderful about free blog themes is that if it is given away for free and it is used by someone's blog, a few things can happen. They upload your blog theme and there is a backlink to your site. Those who upload your blog theme will be able to follow a link from the WordPress presentation theme, and you can promote yourself even from there. People will recommend your blog theme if it looks beautiful. Chapter 7, Web 2.0. Viral Marketing. One of the newest yet oldest form of viral marketing is the usage of email and Web 2.0 sites. Remember the video called Numa Numa who had this guy lip syncing to a song? It was one of the most viral videos of all time. The owner of the site had tons of traffic flooding into his site every day, and people everywhere want to imitate him and do their own parodies of the Numa Numa dance as well. Another good example is the Diet Coke and Mentos scenario. Basically, when you have something interesting or extreme, people will tend to share it with their friends through forwarded emails, but in the case of internet marketing, you can do a lot more if you play your cards right. Facebook drives a lot of traffic as well because of the way they link applications and photos, tagging. For example, you can join an application for a game that builds empires using gold. They offer you more gold when you refer your friends to that application. That is how they build their list. You can do the same by driving traffic to your opt-in forms, landing pages or blogs, and you will be able to build viral traffic very quickly. Chapter 8, Viral Spiral Marketing. This is a new concept introduced by Tim Brocklehurst. Here's what he says. It's no secret that JVs, joint ventures, and cross-promotions are one of the most productive ways to make high volumes of sales on the internet. Traditionally, JVs are most common between two people who have created a product and are selling it online. But that needn't be the case, and there is a way in which you can get all the benefits, traffic, and sales of a JV without even having a product of your own. What actually happens in a JV cross-promotion? Websites promote other websites for two main reasons: 1, to earn income from commission sales. 2, to pay, or earn, favors. The first of these you might expect, the second is more intricate. You see, when you're running an online business, your options and your growth are restricted if you try doing it all on your own. Sure, there's pay-per-click advertising, article marketing, traffic exchangers, and a variety of ways you can draw traffic to your site by paying for it. But nothing beats personal recommendation. It's human nature, we all prefer to buy through personal recommendation than by enticing advertisements. And JVs or cross-promotions are all about personal recommendation. The only thing is, as every super affiliate knows, even if you're offering attractive commission rates, the site that's getting promoted always gets more out of the deal than the JV partner who's doing the promoting. Look at this comparison: the JV partner doing the promotion gets, 1, a notional favor from the site it promotes. 2, commission payments, hopefully paid in good time but always at the discretion of the site owner. The site being promoted gets, 1, lots of new list members. 2, lots of sales. 3, lots of recognition. Which would you rather? Can you see now why the benefit isn't split evenly in a JV deal? This is one of the reasons why it is more difficult than many people think to get JV partners promoting for you. No matter how attractive your commission percentages are, you will always be getting more out of the deal than your JV partner. Especially if your landing page is a list building squeeze page. But there is an option available. Especially if your aim is to build a list. You could run a MyViral Spiral site. MyViral Spiral is a web server script that gives you a complete solution for building a list and a business online. One of its features is that it turns the above JV example on its head to provide more of a win-win for both parties. Here's what you can do with it: as a list builder, you can offer a squeeze page for your JV partner to promote. He then sends his list to the squeeze page, where they sign up to your list. Then, this is when it gets interesting, your JV partner can decide which offer page his signups are directed to after sign up. Gone is the traditional method whereby once his leads have signed up to you, they're yours, to direct wherever you like. With MVS, your JV partner can choose what to show them after they've joined your list. It might be to his own product, or an affiliate link somewhere else, or he may choose to use his affiliate link for your product, in keeping with the normal method. The point is, your JV partner has more say about who benefits from his promotion and how. And that kind of power makes all the difference when it comes to getting others to promote for you, and build your list. This is one of many characteristics of MyViral Spiral that make it well worth a good look if you want to start building JV relationships. Chapter 9, Summary: remember that the ultimate goal of viral marketing is to leverage on others through the power of the internet. Here is a recap of what we've learned. Viral marketing is without a doubt one of the most powerful ways to drive traffic. Remember the law of exponential growth. Use Tell a Friend to build subscribers with subscribers. Use master resell rights and no restriction private label rights and spread your e-products all over the internet. Drive traffic to your sites using blogs, blog themes, Web 2.0 tools or social bookmarking sites are one of the best free tools to drive traffic to your website. Take advantage of viral spiral marketing and build your list and have your list build your list at the same time, bringing viral marketing to a whole new dimension. I hope that this ebook has taught you many ways to market your business. To your viral marketing success.